Volcanoes by Charlotte. Volcanoes can be big as a mountain. It can even reach the skies, and it can even be small. Volcanoes can be any types of size. How did volcanoes come to Earth? When there is a crack in the earth, then lava comes out, and if more lava comes out, the volcano gets bigger. What is lava made from? When melted rock is so melted, it turns into lava. How do volcanoes erupt? Because of pressure. If the lava pushes too hard, it will erupt. Which volcano is the biggest? It is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. It is so big, it is in the clouds.